My dear all friends, welcome to Basic Milon. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I will show how to create Gmail account. We will try how to create Gmail account. We will not create Gmail account. I will describe very easily. Let's start it. Gmail account create. You will choose many options. You will choose Google Chrome, or you will choose Play Store, or you will choose YouTube. Every apps you will create Gmail account. Very easy process. I will show you Google Chrome. First of all, you will click Google Chrome. I will click here Google Chrome. After open Google Chrome, you will see my previous Gmail logo. You will click here. Then I will click my previous Gmail. Then you will scroll down. Dear friends, already my Gmail account login. Then I will click sign out. I will request you, please subscribe this channel. Please see this option entry. Then again click here. Click tick mark. Scroll down. See this option add account to device. Click here. Wait sometimes. This option is not show. Give your finger or pattern. Wait some time. Dear friends, see this page. You will see first box your email or phone number. I will show how to create Gmail account. So click here create account. There are two types of account. I will create my personal account. So click here for my personal use. Then first box your first name, second box your last name. I will set my first name, then enter my last name. First name and last name are okay. Then click here next. Basics information, enter your birthday and gender. First I will set month. I will set my birthday month, then day, then year. Then set gender. So click here gender, this option. You are a female, click female option. Then you are a male, click male option. You are not male or female, then click other not stay, this option. So I am male, then click here male option. Select male, then click here next. Dear friends, I will describe easily. This option is very important. Create a new Gmail address for sign in to your Google account. First of all, you set username. Username is very easy. You will follow my procedure. First, I will write my name ILON. First of all, you will search. I will search, then click next. You will see below. Sorry, your username must be between 6 and 30 characters or letters. I will press short name. Google said that you will press minimum 6 letter and up 30 letter. I will press dot and some letter. Then I will click next. Then you will create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters and numbers and symbols. Your password is not strong, other person logging your Gmail account. So very careful. I will press my password. Your password check now. You will click show password. I already checked my password is correct. Then you click next. This step is very careful. Then I will click next. Dear friends, already my Gmail account is ready. You will see. Then I will click next. This is privacy and terms. You will scroll down. Then you will click agree. Dear friends, Gmail account create is very easy process. Then you will click yes I am in, or click no thanks. I will click yes I am in. Dear friends, already Gmail account create. Then I will click my Gmail logo option. This is my Gmail account. Then next step your Gmail account modify. Dear friends, already this video is long, so that no describe in this video. My request of you, please subscribe this channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.